Let's talk a little bit about what should I do as a person who has been injured? What can I do to help my attorney scoot this process along?
If you've been in a wreck, of course, I think it's a little bit cheesy to get out and immediately start taking pictures. But if you could subtly do it, that's something that would be nice. And certainly after the wreck and the aftermath is over, you want to take pictures of your car. If you're hurt, by all means, you need to be seeing a doctor. And we see so many people come in and they've been in a wreck and they tell us how bad they're hurting. And you say, well, have you been to the doctor? Well, I thought it'd get better. I hadn't been to the doctor. It's been a week. And we're going to hear about that when we start talking about settling that claim. Well, your client didn't go to a doctor for a week. And so if you're hurting, it's not a time to be a martyr. That's the time for you to go seek treatment, get checked out in case things unfold in a way you don't want them to unfold down the line. So that's what you can do to help your lawyer. And don't sit around waiting. Go ahead and talk to a lawyer. It's not going to cost you anything. Lawyers handle cases like that on the contingency fee. If you don't get, if your injury's not very substantial, you don't have to hire the lawyer. Lawyer won't want to take it either. So, go talk to a lawyer, sit down, learn what your rights are, and at that point in time, you will be advised.
You need a lawyer early for a lot of reasons, one of which is you have to give notice to the right insurance company in the right way. And if you don't, you can lose some potential coverage. So that's one reason just to get a lawyer right off the bat. So make sure all the notices go to the right persons.
Is there a time frame after an accident?
There
that you
is.
need to get
Most
things
policies
done?
say as soon as practicable or as soon as possible, which the courts have interpreted to be pretty quickly. And a lot of people don't understand uninsured motorist coverage, don't realize that their own policy might come into play, and so they don't tell their own insurance company that they were injured. And then, 6 months later, they go to a lawyer, and the lawyer files a letter, and the insurance company says, that's too long, that's too late.